The Retailers Association of India has released the details of their RAI Business Survey, the 15th round, which was conducted for the month of April. First, before we get into the data, it is important to note that the data that RAI has provided for the month of April 2021 is in comparison to April 2019. And that's mainly because last year in April we had a nationwide lockdown, so there is no comparative data available. We can assume that sales were at zero, but due to what was the situation in comparison to the pre-COVID levels, to understand that better, RAI has compared the data to April 2019. From the data, what we can clearly see is pan-India sales are down by half of what they were in April 2019. So that is quite a deep impact coming in. And this is also supported by the March data that RAI has provided. In the month of March 2021, sales were down by 12% as compared to the month of March 2019. So March was not as bad as compared to April. The growth that had started coming in, of course, was affected in the month of April. We know it is definitely because of the second wave of COVID-19, a massive wave that has engulfed the country, and the cases had surged. Not just that, there was also a fear of stepping out in places where lockdowns were not imposed, and there were places where lockdowns were imposed, shops were shut, people were not really walking in to retail stores. Now, if you take a look at region-wise data, the western part of the country has suffered the most in the month of April. Sales are down 72% in April 2021 versus April 2019. And if you compare this to the month of March, sales were down only 28%. So of course, West India also includes Maharashtra and Mumbai, which was the first to see the rise in cases and call for a lockdown. So that is also visible in this data. For Eastern India, sales were down 38% in April. North India sales were down 45% in April, and in South India sales were down 40% in April. Even across categories, if you see sales, all categories have been affected. The only category which was in the green in the month of March is consumer durables and electronics. Sales are up 10% in the month of March 2021 versus March 2019. But in April, even that segment has seen a drop of 31% in terms of the sales that have come in. Quick service restaurants have seen a sales drop of 45% in April versus a drop of 15% in March. Beauty, wellness and personal care is down by almost 60% in the month of April as compared to a 22% drop which was there in March. If you see, food and grocery has also been affected, down 49% versus 12% in the month of March. Apparel and clothing sales are down by 49%. Footwear sales are down by 61% as people had to stop stepping out. There was no really, going out shopping, no going back to office that had, just started, the unlocking that had just started. Sports goods sales are down 66% and jewelry sales down 59% in comparison to April 2019. So overall from this data, of course, we can clearly see that retail sales were hit badly across the country in the month of April. What exactly happens in the month of May is what also we have to see, because if things were better in one part of the country, there were other parts of the country that were still severely affected by the second wave of COVID-19. And also, as how do these sales proceed going forward in the month of June, July, all of that we'll have to be watchful for in the data that comes out from RAI in the coming months.